Hi, in the last lecture we talked about order list and unordered list. Now in this video we look at how to add image in HTML. So for this, first I get rid of these tags. Rid of. Now for image we first download image. Go to browser and I search for Charlie Chaplin. This is the comedy actor. So I click on this image. On this image I simply download it. So let's see here. Simply click on image, right click on image and save image as. I save it in the our downloaded folder. So go to local disk and web development course, and in HTML I simply call it Charlie. I simply name it as Charlie Chaplin. So we have easy for this. So I save it here in the HTML folder. Now our image is saved in HTML folder. So first I write tags for insert of image. For image I simply write it img and enter. So here image is a self-closing tag. Self-closing means that has a no closing tag. That itself a closing tag. So I write here is image and src. Src means source, where our file source is. So for image source, I write simple here image name char Charlie Chaplin dot our file extension is .jpg. This is our image extension. So I simply save it, and if I here refresh, so you can see here Charlie Chaplin image is inserted in our browser. So this is the basics of how image we implement in HTML. So now we see further attributes of this img tag in the next video. Here we end this lecture. In the next lecture we learn about more tags. So please like the video and subscribe if you not yet subscribed. Thank you.